In this video, we're gonna fix this and drive it home. Okay? Yeah, good luck. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Oh. Alright, let's give it a twist of the old key here and see what happens. Nothing. Okay. Ah, that's easy enough. The old battery disconnected. We can see the next problem.
I know.
I think I've already spotted another problem. Ooh, we'll see about right there. The old chewed up wires. Great.
This is my wire. It's nice. Bye-bye.
These I can tell where they go.
This is chilling.
Okay, I'm going to take this cover off so I can see a little bit better.
Yeah. No way. Yeah.
Well, there's the problem. Had mice. Well, definitely got to disconnect that battery cable again. Interesting. Okay, so there's the plug. I think my dog had a part in this as well. Alright, oops. Uh-oh. Tend itself there. Cut that back in. That one's in good. So it actually plugs in down here, so it got pulled out. Most likely by the dog. Okay, so next I'm going to solder these together. Black and green are pretty obvious. I don't know about the other one though. I'm going to extend it out a little bit with this. Okay, so the white wires go here and go into this cutoff switch, right? So that's a switch, no polarity to worry about. Just make sure it's a switch. So already got these trimmed back, put some heat shrink on it, solder that up. Okay, and before I put everything completely back together and do cleanup, I'm going to do a quick check. See if that fixed my problem or any problems for that matter. No dead shorts, that's always good. Okay.
Papa. Papa, Dad. Daddy, Daddy.
Hold on. Get back. Alright, she's spinning now. Okay, so next I'm going to wrap these wires up. Please get off of that.
Yes. Flower. Some flower. Flower.
Oh, thank you. She brought me flowers.
Flower.
And it sounds like I'm at Sam Cracks. Alright, see if it'll start. Come on. Alright, well I guess we'll see if we got lights. And we got lights. Cool, ready for my trip. We made it! Alright, we made it home except for a flat tire. We did good. Didn't we, Ruby? Didn't we?
Yeah.
Feeling good? Alright, so there you go. Thank you for watching and happy April 1st. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.